From the lush valleys of Kashmir to the serene tea gardens of the south, we are journeying through the most refreshing summer retreats the country has to offer. Stay tuned as we count down to our number 1 pick, a place so enchanting it's considered the jewel of the Himalayas. 20. Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Kicking off our list at number 20 is Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. Ideal to visit from March to June, Tawang is accessible via Salonibadi Airport in Tezpur. This town offers majestic views and rich history. Highlights include the Tawang Monastery and Sela Pass. For those who love adventure, trekking and monastery visits are a must. And while you're there, try the local momos and thukpa. For ease of travel, renting a car is recommended, and make sure to pick up a Buddhist prayer wheel as a souvenir. 19. Coorg, Karnataka. Next at number 19 is the lush region of Coorg in Karnataka. Best visited from October to June, Coorg is nearest to Mangalore Airport and Mysore Railway Station. This destination is perfect for nature lovers with attractions like Abbe Falls and the Dubare Elephant Camp. Don't miss out on the coffee plantation tours and river rafting. Local cuisine here includes spicy Coorgi pork, so give it a try. For getting around, hiring a cab is a convenient option, and as a memento, consider purchasing some locally produced coffee. 18. Munnar, Kerala. At number 18, we have Munnar in Kerala, known for its sprawling tea gardens and cool climate, making it a perfect summer retreat. Visit between March and June to see Munnar in full bloom. The nearest airport is Cochin International Airport, with Aluva as the closest railway station. Key attractions include the Eravikulam National Park and Matupeti Dam. Activities like tea estate tours and boating are popular here. Local delicacies such as appam with stew are a must-try. For travel within Munnar, taxis are readily available and reasonably priced. Don't forget to pick up some fresh tea leaves as souvenirs. 17. Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Coming in at number 17 is Shimla, the charming hill station of Himachal Pradesh. The best time to visit is from March to June. Shimla is well connected, with the nearest airport in Chandigarh and a railway station right in the city. Explore the historic Ridge and Mall Road, and don't miss out on adventures like toy train rides and trekking. The local cuisine includes dishes like Channa Madra and Himachali Dham. For getting around, consider renting a bike to soak in the scenic beauty at your own pace. Souvenirs like handmade shawls and wooden crafts are popular. 16. Darjeeling, West Bengal. Number 16 on our list is the serene Darjeeling in West Bengal. The best months to visit are between March and May. Reach Darjeeling via Bagdogra Airport or New Jalpaiguri Railway Station. Highlights include the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway and Tiger Hill. Engage in activities like tea plantation walks and mountain biking. Local specialties such as momos and Darjeeling tea should not be missed. Shared jeeps are a cost-effective way to travel around, and tea is the ideal souvenir to bring home from Darjeeling. 15. Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Rishikesh takes spot number 15. Known as the yoga capital of the world, it's ideal to visit from March to June. Dehradun's Jolly Grant Airport is the closest, and Haridwar is the nearest railway station. Key attractions are the Triveni Ghat and the Beatles Ashram. Activities include river rafting and yoga retreats. Try the local Sattvic cuisine for a unique experience. For internal travel, taxis and autos are available. Consider picking up spiritual books or Ayurvedic products as souvenirs. 14. Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Ranking 14th is Ooty in Tamil Nadu, known for its cool weather and beautiful landscapes. The best time to visit is from March to June. The nearest airport is Coimbatore, and the Ooty railway station is well connected too. Must-visit sites include the Botanical Gardens and Ooty Lake. Take part in boating or enjoy a ride on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Local treats like homemade chocolate and Nilgiri tea are delightful. For ease of travel, renting a car is advisable, and handcrafted teas make great souvenirs. 13. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Manali, nestled in the mountains of Himachal Pradesh, lands at number 13. The prime time to visit is from March to June when the weather is just perfect. The nearest airport is Bhuntar, and you can reach Manali by road from there. Manali is famous for its adventure sports like paragliding and rafting. Don't miss the Hidimba Temple and Solang Valley. Local dishes like trout and sidhu are must-tries. Buses and taxis are the best ways to get around and pick up some hand-knit woolens as souvenirs. 12. Gangtok, Sikkim. At number 12, we have Gangtok, the vibrant capital of Sikkim. Visit from March to June for the best experience. The nearest airport is Bagdogra, and the closest railway station is in New Jalpaiguri. Explore enchanting places like Zongo Lake and Rumtek Monastery. Activities include cable car rides and mountain biking. Sample local favorites like Thukpa and Phagshapa. Shared taxis are a common and economical mode of transport here. Consider buying Sikkimese handicrafts as keepsakes. 11. Nainital, Uttarakhand. Nainital in Uttarakhand makes our list at number 11. Ideal visiting months are from March to June. The nearest airport is Pantnagar, and Kathgodam is the nearest railway station. Key attractions include Nani Lake and the Naina Devi Temple. Enjoy boating on the lake or horseback riding along scenic trails. Local cuisine features bhat ki churkani and aloo ke gutke. Taxis and walking are great ways to explore Nainital. Don't forget to bring back unique candles, which are popular souvenirs. 10. Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Breaking into our top 10, Mount Abu is Rajasthan's only hill station. It's best visited from March to June. The nearest airport is Udaipur, and Abu Road is the rail link. Explore the Dilwara temples and enjoy sunset views at Nakki Lake. Engage in activities like rock climbing and boating. Try Rajasthani dishes like dal bati churma. Local transport options include taxis and rental bikes. Pick up intricately carved marble artifacts as souvenirs. 9. Kasol, Himachal Pradesh. Kasol in Himachal Pradesh comes in at number 9, popular among backpackers and trekkers. The best time to visit is from March to June. The closest airport is in Kullu, while Bhuntar is the nearest railway access. Explore the Parvati River and nearby villages like Malana. Trekking and riverside camping are top activities here. Enjoy Israeli cuisine along with local Himachali food. Local buses and taxis are available for transportation. Kasol is great for picking up hippie clothing and accessories. 8. Leh, Ladakh. Number 8 is Leh in Ladakh, a dream destination for many. Best visited from April to June when the passes are open. The nearest airport is Leh itself, making it easily accessible. Key sites include the Leh Palace and Shanti Stupa. Adventure lovers can indulge in trekking and mountain biking. Local dishes like thukpa and skew should be tried. Renting a motorbike is a popular way to explore the rugged terrain. Souvenirs? Handicrafts like prayer wheels and Ladakhi jewelry are perfect. 7. Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Mahabaleshwar grabs the 7th spot. It's a delightful retreat from March to June. Pune is the nearest airport, with Vathar as the closest railway station. Don't miss points like Arthur Seat and Venna Lake. Activities include boating and horse riding. The local strawberry with cream is a must-have. Taxis are readily available for getting around. Pick up fresh jams and preserves as a sweet reminder of your visit. 6. Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. At number 6, we have Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu, known for its cool misty climate. The best months to visit are from April to June. The nearest airport is Madurai, with Kodaikanal Road as the nearest railway station. Key attractions are the Kodaikanal Lake and Bryant Park. Enjoy cycling around the lake and exploring cave temples. Don't miss out on trying homemade chocolate. For souvenirs, handcrafted eucalyptus oil and woolen clothing are great choices. 5. Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Coming in at number 5 is Srinagar, set amidst the beautiful Kashmir Valley. Visit from April to June for pleasant weather. Srinagar has its own airport and the nearest railway station is at Jammu. Must-visits include Dal Lake and the Mughal Gardens. Shikara rides on Dal Lake and shopping at floating markets are quintessential experiences. Kashmiri cuisine, especially Rogan Josh, is a treat. For souvenirs, consider Kashmiri Pashmina shawls and handicrafts. 4. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Mussoorie, the queen of hill stations, takes the 4th place. Ideal visiting time is from April to June. The nearest airport is Dehradun, with the nearest railway station at Dehradun as well. Explore Mall Road and Gun Hill. Cable car rides and nature walks are popular here. Local favorites include Gadwali dishes. Use taxis for convenient travel. Bring back wooden handicrafts or handmade woolen garments as memories. 3. Shillong, Meghalaya. At number 3, we have Shillong, the Scotland of the East. The best time to visit is from March to June. The nearest airport is in Shillong itself, making it highly accessible. Explore the Elephant Falls and Shillong Peak for breathtaking views. Activities like golfing and boating are popular. Try local dishes like jaddo. Buses and taxis are the main modes of transport. Pick up Scottish cloths and bamboo handicrafts as souvenirs. 2. Oli, Uttarakhand. Second on our list is Oli, known for its ski resorts during winter, but it's equally mesmerizing in summer. Visit from April to June. The nearest airport is Dehradun, and the closest railway station is Haridwar. Key attractions include skiing even in late spring and the beautiful Gurso Bugyan. The local cuisine offers Tibetan flavors. Taxis are available, though walking can also be delightful. Consider bringing back woolen caps or rugs. 1. Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. And taking the crown at number 1, we have Gulmarg in Jammu and Kashmir, a stunningly picturesque destination known for its lush green meadows and views of majestic snow-capped mountains even in summer. The best time to visit is from May to September when the weather is pleasantly cool and perfect for outdoor activities. The nearest airport is in Srinagar, which is well connected to major cities. Key attractions include the Gulmarg Gondola, the highest cable car in the world, and the historic St. Mary's Church. For those who love adventure, there's trekking, golfing at one of the highest golf courses in the world, and even summer skiing. Local cuisines such as Rogan Josh and Kashmiri saffron tea should not be missed. For getting around, taxis and ponies are available, providing a unique way to explore the scenic beauty. Don't leave without picking up some traditional Kashmiri handicrafts or Pashmina shawls as a souvenir of your visit.